Hello everyone, this is an audio recording for visually impaired student. Today I am going to read a chapter named Fermentation. Fermentation is the chemical transformation of organic substance into simpler compound by the action of enzyme complex organic catalysis which are produced by organisms such as models, yeast or bacteria. Fermentation technology is the use of microorganisms to produce food, pharmaceutical, and alcoholic beverages on the large scale industrial basis. The size of fermentation is called zymology. Principle of fermentation process. The basic principle involved in the industrial fermentation technology is that organisms are grown under suitable condition by providing raw material meeting necessary requirements such as carbon, nitrogen, salt, trace element and vitamins. The end product formed as a result of their metabolism during their lifespan are released into the media, which are extracted for use by human beings and that have a high commercial value. Type based on respiration. First is aerobic fermentation. Aerobic fermentation, or called aerobic glycolysis, it is a metabolic process by which cells metabolize sugar via fermentation in the presence of oxygen and occur through the repression of normal respiratory metabolism. Aerobic fermentation means that oxygen is present. Wine, beer, and acetic acid, vinegar, such as apple cider vinegar, need oxygen in the primary as a first stage of fermentation. When creating acidic vinegar, for example, exposing the surface of vinegar to as much oxygen as possible creates a healthy, favorable, full vinegar with the correct pH. It is of two type homofermentation in which only one type of product is formed and second is heterofermentation in which more than one product are formed. Uh, Heterofermentation are of two types. First, that is a lactic acid fermentation. Lactic acid is formed from pyruvate produces in glycolysis. NAD positive is generating from NADH. Enzyme lactate dehydrogenase catalyzed this reaction. Lactobacillus bacteria prepare curd from milk by this type of fermentation. During intensive exercise, when oxygen supply is inadequate, muscles drive energy by producing lactic acid, which is accumulated into the cell, causing fatigue. Having the reaction C6H12O6 in the presence of lactate dehydrogenase, it will give 2 mole of CH3, CHOH, COOH. Second is alcoholic fermentation. This is used in the industrial production of wine, beer, biofuel, etc. The end product is alcohol and CO2. Pyruvic acid breaks down into acetaldehyde and CO2 is released in the next step. Ethanol is formed from acetaldehyde. NAD positive is also formed from NADH, which is reused in glycolysis. Yeast and some bacteria carried out this type of fermentation. Enzyme pyruvic acid decarboxylase an alcohol dehydrogenase catalyzes the end reaction C6H12O6 in the presence of alcoholic dehydrogenase. It will give 2 molecule of CH3CHO and it will give 2 molecule of C2H5OH plus O2. Citric acid. Citric acid to hydroxypropane 1,2,3 tricarboxylic acid derive its name from the Latin word citrus with the molecular weight of 210.14 gram per mole, which contain 3 carboxylic functional group with 3 different values of pKa, that is 3.1, 4.7 and 6.4. Citric acid, a primary metabolic product, is the most important organic acid produces in large quantity and is extensively used in food and pharmaceutical industry. Citric acid is a tricarboxylic acid formed in the tricarboxylic acid cycle called the Krebs cycle and is found in small quantity in all the living organisms. Citric acid was first commercially produced in England in 1826 from lemon contained 7.9% citric acid until 1919. It is produced mainly by submerged fermentation using asparaglicus niger or candle from different sources of carbohydrate such as molasses and starch based media COH, CH2, COH, COH, CH2COH, that is the structure of citric acid. Citric acid production. About 99% of world citric acid production occur through microbial process, which can be carried out using submerged or surface culture. The 70% of anhydrous or monohydrate form of citric acid is used in food and beverage industry as an acidifier or antioxidant to preserve or enhance the flavor and aromas of fruit juice, ice cream, and marmalades. 20% is used in a pharmaceutical industry such as antioxidant to preserve vitamins, pH corrector, blood preservative, or in the form of iron citrate as a source of iron for the blood as well as tablets and cosmetic preparation. In the chemical industries which use the remaining 10% is employed as a forming agent for the softening and treatment of textiles. Surface fermentation using rice or other starch or sugar rich substrate have been used for surface fermentation by Aspergillus niger or in liquid solution in fat, aluminium, or stainless steel paints. Vinegar can be used to produce citric acid despite the higher content of trace metal in iris band are used. The citric acid is extracted from the brain by leaching and is then precipitated from the resulting solution as calcium citrate. B. Submerged fermentation. It is a common practice where citric acid is made. The fermenter is made of acid resident material such as stainless steel. The carbohydrate source are molasses decationized by ion exchange, sucrose or glucose, MgSO4.7H2O and KH2PO4 at about 1% and 0.05 to 2% respectively are added. The pH is never allowed higher than 3.5. Copper is used as up to 500 ppm or an antagonist of the enzyme agonist which require iron. 1.1 to 5% of methanol, isopropanol, or ethanol, when added to fermentation containing unpurified material, increases the yield. The yield are reduced in media which purified material. As high aeration is deleterious to citric acid production. Mechanical agitation is not necessary and air may be bubbled through. Antiform is added. The fungus occur as an uniform dispersal of platelets in the medium. The fermentation lasts for 5 to 14 days. Thank you.